Revenge trading in Forex. How to break the cycle and protect your account. After heavy loss, a trader stares at the screen and whispers, "No, this is not how it ends. I'll make it back right now." From that moment, a control starts to slip, and it feels like the market has grabbed the wheel and is now driving the decisions. Traders call this revenge trading. At that point, you're no longer following your plan, you're just trying to get back at the market. If it keeps going, it slowly drains your account and your peace of mind. In this video, you'll see how this state gets triggered in a trader's head and a step-by-step how to cut it off before it turns into serious damage. Revenge trading is one of the most destructive psychological patterns among traders, not because of one bad trade, but because of the chain of emotional decisions that follow it. In this video, first you'll see what revenge trading actually is and how it starts. Then you'll get 3 practical steps you can use to break that cycle before it does serious damage to your account. Part 1. What exactly is revenge trading? Revenge trading is what happens after one loss or a series of losses when you stop thinking logically and start making decisions with one goal: win it back fast. At that point, your goal is no longer following the plan or steadily growing the account. Your real goal becomes numbing a psychological pain, humiliation, anger, the feeling of being beaten. That's why it usually comes with things like increasing position size without logic, opening a trade after trade in a row, ignoring stop losses, hopping between time frames and pairs of looking for an instant opportunity. The real trap is this: you think you're fighting the market, but in reality, you're fighting your own emotions, and you usually lose. Part 2. Why does the mind shift into revenge mode? A hit to your ego and self-image. When you lose, especially on a trade you were sure about, it's not just a negative number on the screen, it hits your ego. Your mind says, "I shouldn't lose, I'm better than this, I have to prove myself." That urge to prove something is what flips the switch into revenge mode. Struggling to sit with shame and the feeling of losing. Many traders have built an image of themselves, to themselves or to others, as a good trader. When they lose, they want to run away from the shame and the feeling of failure. The fastest escape route seems to be forcing a quick comeback on the chart. The problem is that this comeback attempt is almost always happening without a plan and under a huge mental pressure. Part 3. 3 practical steps to stop revenge trading. Step 1. Create an emergency stop switch. The first thing you need is a personal emergency stop rule. For example, rules like, if I take 2 losses in a row, I stop trading for the rest of the day. If I hit my maximum daily loss, I close the platform. These rules must be written in advance, not invented in the middle of anger. When the loss comes, you act according to the rule, not according to your mood. Step 2. Release emotions away from the charts. Many traders make the mistake of trying to release their emotions through the charts. A professional knows that after a loss, they need a distance from the screen. Simple actions can help. A 10-minute walk, a few minutes of deep, controlled breathing, writing in your journal. What exactly am I feeling right now? Anger, shame, or fear? The goal is to drain that emotional charge somewhere outside of trading, so when you come back, your brain has the capacity to think logically again. Step 3. Rewrite your mental story about losses. If you see a loss as a humiliation, you'll want revenge. If you see a loss as an information and tuition, you'll want to analyze it. A simple exercise after every loss: force yourself to write down 3 things. First, what did this loss teach me about my system or my behavior? Second, if this exact scenario happens again, what could I do differently? Third, was this loss inside my plan or did it happen because I broke my own rules? Over time, your brain learns to meet losses with curiosity instead of rage. Revenge trading can look bold and aggressive on the outside, but in reality, it's one of the most emotional and dangerous reactions you can have at the charts. With 3 tools, your written stop rule, stepping away to discharge emotion, and rewriting your story about losses, each losing trade slowly turns from a trigger for destruction into a signal for mental growth. Now it's your turn to be honest with yourself. If you're comfortable sharing, tell me in the comments. When was the last time you fell into revenge trading? How many trades did you take in a row? How did you feel? And what happened to your account afterwards? Those stories will shape a follow-up video that works directly with those exact moments.